Hi, I am Ram Prasad, and I want to say about the importance of the data science in healthcare. And we should know actually what is meant by the data science. And here is the meaning that says it, and it is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods and process and some algorithms to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. Here, what is the term multidisciplinary field means? Here, the fields such that the visualization, and data mining, and some machine learning, and some AI also, and AI also. Actually, this is the AI, and this is a and AI, and this is the neuro computing and statistics data processing. These are the multidisciplinary, some of the multidisciplinary fields. This indicates the multidisciplinary field. Data science in healthcare. Now we will focus on the data science, how it is important in healthcare. And there are, I want to say, in 7 applications. And here is the first one, data science for medical imaging. First one, and first data science rapidly growing to occupy all industries of the world today. In this topic, we will understand how data science is transforming the healthcare sector. We will understand various underlying concepts of data science used in medicine and biotechnology. And medicine and healthcare are two types of important part of our human lives. We all know that probably. And traditionally, medicine solely relied on the discretion advised by the doctors. For example, we may say that a doctor would have to suggest suitable treatment based on the patient's symptoms. And however, this wasn't always correct and was a great problem to the human errors. And however, and with these advancements in computers, and particularly in a world growing today, and data science is now possible to obtain accurate diagnostic measures also. And there are several fields in healthcare, such as I had said medicine imaging and drug discovery, I may say. Then the next topics, and this is a genetics, predictive diagnosis, and several others that may use of the data science. These are the fields which may use data science, and we will go through each field one by one. And this is the first one I'm going to say, and data science for medical imaging. And the first and foremost use of data science in the healthcare industry is through medical imaging. This one. And there are various imaging techniques, like we may know that X-ray is one of the greatest feature, and MRI MRI. This is the medical imaging technique. MRI and a CT scan. We all may know that. And a CT scan. And all these techniques visualize the inner parts of the human body. And traditionally, doctors would manually inspect these images and find irregulation within them. And however, it was often difficult to find microscopic deformities, and as a result, doctor could suggest a proper diagnosis based on these techniques, X-ray and MRI and CT scan. And with the advent of deep learning techniques in data science, it is now possible to find such microscopic deformities in the scanned images, like X-ray image, like that. And through image segmentation, it is possible to search for defects present in the scanned images. Other than this, there are also other image processing techniques like we all know that we know that image recognition. And we are using image recognition using some support vector machines, image enhancement and reconstruction, edge direction, etc. There are several other methods that are applied to enhance the image and improve the accuracy of the outcome. Big data platforms like Hadoop, we all know that, and this platform like Hadoop apply map reduce to find parameters that can be used in various tasks. For data science enthusiasts being with image analysis, there are several open data sets of brain imaging that you utilize for gaining a practice experience, like BrainWeb, IXI dataset, and FAST MRI and OASIS. The second topic is the data science for genomics. And a genomic consists of a DNA and all genetics of organisms. And ever since the compilation of the human genome project, the research has been advancing rapidly and has inculcated itself in the realms of big data and data science. However, this with the advanced tools like now it is possible to analyze and derive insights from the human gene in a much shorter period of time and in much low cost. The goal of research scientists is to analyze the genomic standards and strands and search for the irregularities and defects in it, and they find connection between the genetics and health of the person. And there are several data science tools like MapReduce, SQL, and Galaxy Bioconductor, etc. And SQL is a relation database language that we use to perform querying and retrieving from the genomic data science. Galaxy is open source GUI based biomedical research application that allows you to perform various operations on genomes. And the third topic is the drug discovery with data science. And in this drug discovery is highly compiled discipline, and pharmaceutical industry that are heavily relying on the data science to solve their problem and create better drugs for the people. The drug discovery is the time-consuming process that also involves heavy financial expenditure and heavy testing. Data science and machine learning algorithms and revolutionizing the process and providing extensive insights into optimizing and increasing the success of prediction. Pharmaceutical companies use the insights from the patient's information, such as mutation profiles and patient metadata. This information helps the researchers to develop models and find a statistical relationship between the attributes. With the data science algorithms also helps to simulate how the drug will act in the human body that takes away the long laboratory experiments. Furthermore, using data science research can analyze the test the chemical components against a combination of different cells, genetic mutations, etc. Now we going into the fourth topic of predictive analysis in healthcare. And healthcare is important domain for the predictive analysis. It is one of the most popular topic in the health analysis. A predictive model uses historical data, learns from it, and finds patterns and generate accurate predictions from it. It defines various correlations and aspects of symptoms, finds habit, diseases, and they make meaningful predictions. Predictive analysis is playing a major role in improving patients' care and chronic diseases management and increasing the efficiency of such chains and pharmaceutical logistics. Population health management is becoming an increasing popular topic in predictive analysis. It is a data-driven approach focusing on focusing on prevention of diseases that are mainly commonly prevalent in society. With the data science, hospitals can predict the deterioration in patients' health and provide preventive measures and start an early treatment that will assist in reducing the risk of further aggravation of patients' health. And this is the fifth topic, and monitoring patients' health. And data science plays a vital role in IoT. We know that IoT is the Internet of Things. And these IoT devices that are present as wearable devices that track heartbeat, temperature, and other medical parameters of the user. And the data that is collected is analyzed with the help of a data science. And with the help of analytical tools, doctors are able to keep track of the patient's circadian cycle, that their blood pressure as well as the caloric intake. And other than wearable monitoring sensor, doctor can monitor a patient's health through a home devices. For the patients that are chronically ill, there are several systems that track patients' movement, monitor their physical parameters, and analyze the patterns that are present in the data. It makes use of the real-time analyze to predict if the patient will face any problem based on the present condition. Furthermore, it helps the doctors to take the necessary decisions to help the patients in distress.
1.
Now we are going to sixth topic, tracking and preventing diseases. Here, data science plays a vital role in monitoring patients' health and notifying necessary steps to be taken in order to prevent potential diseases from taking place. Data scientists are using powerful predictive analytical tools to detect chronic diseases at an early stage. In many instances, there are instances where due to negligibility diseases are not caught at an early stage. As the disease grows by every day, and the cost of curing it also increases, and therefore the data science plays a huge role in optimizing such academic spending on healthcare. And these are the several instances where AI plays a huge role in detecting diseases. We taken seven step as providing virtual assistance. And with the help of the disease predictive modeling, our data scientists have developed a comprehensive virtual platform that provides assistance to the patients. With the help of the platforms, a patient can enter his or her symptoms in the input and get insights about the various possible diseases and based on the confidence rate. Furthermore, patients who suffer from the psychological problems like depression, anxiety, and something like neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer can make use of the virtual applications to help them in their daily tasks. Some popular examples of virtual assistants are ADA. Here, ADA, a startup based in Berlin that predicts disease based on the user symptoms, and WooBot, that is a chatbot that is developed at Stanford University that provides therapy treatments to patients who suffer from the depression. So this is how a data science is used in the healthcare sector. Now we can conclude that data science has many applications in healthcare. We had seen many steps in that, and the medicine and healthcare industry has heavily utilized data science for the improving lifestyles of the patients and predicting data disease at an early stage. We can see that and further, with the advancement in medical image analysis, it is possible for the doctors to find out microscopic tumors that were otherwise hard to find. Therefore, data science has revolutionized healthcare and medical industry in large ways. Hope um, and I want to thank you. Okay.